Wala, andito kami sa Trinidad, Cuba. Ito yung aming hotel sa Las Cuevas. See you guys! So hello guys, dito sa Cuba, parang Pilipinas lang. Sobrang init at saka umuulan sa gabi kasi rainy season eh. So kaya guys, tingnan nyo. Laging naka-sleeveless kasi sobrang init. Ngayon maglakad kami papuntang city. So stay tuned. So I'm walking this under the tree, big trees here. Voila. Not to fall down on the ground. Depths. That one, oh, look at that. That's the one I was walking. Yeah, I will stop. Wow, it's very nice here. And then we're going to walk down this tree. It's a big tree. So ayan guys, bababa na kami. My God, I'm afraid paakyat. Nasa taas ng bukid yung aming hotel eh. Pero sobrang ganda. Yan. Yan yung malaking kahoy. Grabe, laki. So guys, ito yung aming itinerary sa road trip namin from Habana to Santiago de Cuba, and then Santiago de Cuba back to Habana. So stay tuned guys. From Habana to Trinidad, it's 4 hours drive. Yeah, there is no traffic because there is not a lot of cars at saka rough road. Sometimes may rough road kasi may maraming butas yung kalsada, yung highway. Walang katao-tao ang kalsada. At saka yung kalsada nila, siguro po 1930s, 40, 1950 pa yan eh. Wala akong nakikitang improvement or infrastructure or renovating or repair. Dito naman, dito yung kanilang Plaza Mayor. Yan yung kanilang Plaza Mayor, yung munisipyo na dyan. Wala. Is Dito sa Cuba, laging may brownouts. May sa umaga mayroong brownout, sa hapon may brownout, sa gabi may brownout. Parang 3 to 4 times a day ang brownouts. Maraming turista nagpupunta sa Cuba dahil bukod sa mura pa, yung country nila walang improvement talaga. Parang kung anong nakita mo 1930s, hanggang ngayon ganun pa rin. Dahil ano ang kanilang panggobyernuhan ng parang communist government. Bili ako ng mangga, parang magkano ba yun? Parang 20 pesos yan, isang mangga. Ayan. So hanggang dito na lamang. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next travel vlog.